Welcome to 4alarmclocks.com. Today we're looking at the Crosse Technology Bedside or Travel LCD Atomic Alarm Clock with indoor temperature and moon phase. This Crosse alarm clock does nicely either at home or on the road. The clock face features a large, easy to read LCD time display with day, date, indoor temperature, and moon phase. It even has a seconds counter, which is nice. It has a bright blue backlight on demand. Just by touching the button, the backlight will stay on for 5 seconds so you can see it in the dark. You get the most accurate time in the world, updated daily from the signal coming from the official U.S. atomic clock in Boulder, Colorado. Very attractive silver trim, a very sturdy base so it won't tip over. It can fit anywhere. It's 100% battery operated, requiring only 2 AAA batteries that should last you about a year. You have the option of using 12 or 24-hour time format for those of you that like military time. And it has a 5-minute repeating snooze alarm. And this is a really nice clock. You can set the indoor temperature to Fahrenheit or Celsius. It has 4 time zones, and the indoor temperature can be set in up to 32 degrees. The indoor temperature range is 32 degrees all the way up to 122 degrees. So we really like this clock, and now we're going to let you hear the alarm.